Hey space fans, and welcome back to the channel. Get ready for another spectacular launch as SpaceX gears up to send its 60th Falcon 9 rocket. The year soaring into the night sky. That's right, the 60th. What an incredible milestone. This mission, called Starlink 15-10, is scheduled to lift off from the beautiful Vandenberg Space Force Base in California. The launch window opens on Monday evening at precisely 9:28 p.m. Pacific Time. For our friends on the East Coast, that's 12:28 a.m. on Tuesday, and for our international viewers, that's 5:28 UTC. This launch will add another 27 satellites to SpaceX's ever-growing Starlink broadband internet constellation. It's wild to think that by the end of November, they had already launched over 2,800 satellites this year alone. They're truly building a mega constellation up there, piece by piece, launch by launch. Now, let's talk about the real star of the show, the booster. For this mission, SpaceX is using the veteran Falcon 9 first-stage booster with the tail number 1081. And here's the kicker, this will be its 20th flight. Can you believe that, 20th? This booster is a true workhorse. It has an impressive resume, having supported critical missions like NASA's Crew 7, which sent astronauts to the International Space Station, as well as the CRS-29 cargo resupply mission and scientific missions like PACE and Tracers. It's amazing to see this level of reusability in action, of course. No SpaceX launch is complete without the landing attempt, about 8.5 minutes after liftoff. Keep your eyes peeled as Booster B1081 attempts to land on the drone ship named Of Course I Still Love You, which will be waiting out in the Pacific Ocean. If it sticks the landing, it will mark the 166th successful recovery on this particular drone ship. And even more impressively, it will be the 542nd booster landing for SpaceX overall. Each landing is still a nerve-wracking but incredibly rewarding moment to watch. We'll be going live with our own coverage about 30 minutes before liftoff, so make sure you join us. We'll have the best views, expert commentary, and we'll answer your questions as we watch this historic flight together. You won't want to miss seeing B1081 take to the skies for its 20th time. It's a testament to the engineering and vision driving the new space age, so set your reminders, grab your snacks, and get ready for an awesome launch night. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a launch with us. We'll see you for liftoff.